Hi guys, very good morning to one and all. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri, and today we have like Sensex expiry. So one volatile move on the upside I'm looking for, especially at the support of 83,000 itself. So it has give a close above 83,050. So here I'm initiated a like long trade for the target of 83,460. So this is would be a profitable trade because market has no resistance and it is super bullish, and Sensex itself has a particular probability to touch 83 460 400 area. So this would be the leading trade where 83 2000 83 200 call is looking forward for the making a like hero zero setup. So here like don't go for a hero zero, I strictly follow the SL of the day low and go for the like particular target. So here I'll just make a particular long position at this support and in this candle only, and for the target of I have already told you 83 460 you can take. So this would be the best trade and one of the biggest opportunity which we are leading for the upside, because I am not looking for the selling side till then it is not breaching the day low, and it has hunt the particularly liquidity firstly. And look at these candle on 3 minute, which is making a particular support at this support. So support is still working at here, so making like a higher high pattern. So maybe one high is still pending for the like highest resistance, which is 83 464 in 100 area. You can book your profit. So this like of just make a like 40 rupees like call, 83 200 would be 400. This would be the my like best trade I'm looking for, particularly in this trade. And Nifty you can also make longs, but I'm looking especially in the like buying side in Nifty. I'm not looking in the selling side. And if you look for the like selling opportunity, so you have to firstly like Fed has cut the rate, so which is highly positive for our market. So Nifty also looking good at this particular like support area where 25 400 is acting as a good support. 380 you can take your SL and go for the long. So maybe you can also touch like 25 530 area, it can also touch. So this will be a best trade in the long side in the Nifty as well. So and if you go with the like Bank Nifty as well, if I talk about Bank Nifty, so this Bank Nifty has made beautiful upside. Just wait guys, I'll just share with you. So you can make longs in Bank Nifty as well, which is looking super bullish. And in Bank Nifty we have seen a beautiful like upside in the like coming days. So maybe this will be the best opportunity in the Bank Nifty as well right now. If you are making longs in Bank Nifty, so this would be the perfect area you can make long in Bank Nifty. Firstly it will be going to like for the target of 55,000 56,000 and then 56 200. This would be possible, so take like a very small risk and the targets are very high. So go for the like biggest achievement, which is like I'm looking for especially. So this trend like my resistance now would be 56,000. I'm looking for in Bank Nifty as well, for like as well as like Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty is also you can take 100-point targets and Bank Nifty in 100-point targets. So all are looking super bullish. Don't go on the short side. Maybe in the second half we will go for the like if it is going to take rejection if any point, then definitely you can look for the selling side. But right now there is no opportunity for the selling side, frankly speaking. So going with the like against the trend, you will be going to make losses only. And Sensex itself at making a support at this particular, you just make a trend line from this particular support, and you will be going to find out that this is the best opportunity. Till then it is above the support and this above the trend line, so you have to make only and only longs. That would lead the like journey for the long side. And everyone is very much like pretty like bearish that it will be fall from here at that particular point here and there, but I don't think it will be going to fall right now. The like price action, it's suggesting itself that 1 hour candle is sustaining above 83,000. So this would be the best trade, and 80% probability we will be going to take an next target, which is 83,400 and 450 area for the upside. So I have already suggested you the particular like strike price as well, but you have to this take only for education purpose, and all contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sale as per my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor first and go with the flow. So trend is like still bullish, and go with the trend, then definitely we will be end up with a profit only. So this would be the best trade. And SBI, if you have checked the SBI and all, like I'll share with you one more like price action. So SBI is also looking super bullish at this particular support, whereas by SBI card and SBI all have like emerging at buying levels. These are the buying levels in SBI as well. Just wait, guys. Where is SBI? Yes. So this SBI is also making a support at this particular 855. So you can take one more target, which is R2 is 865. This resistance, you can take your target in SBI as well, which is looking particularly a beautiful strike and beautiful. Like you can take the money in SBI as well, and you can go for a SAP, and one more is like sale you can take. Yeah, where I have taken a call in sale, I think somewhere. Just wait. Yeah, guys, so sale is also making a sense at here, like this is a particular support, so it will be going to reach this support 133, then that is making a giant W. So two stocks in on my radar, I am looking for bullishness in this particular stocks. So Bank Nifty is super bullish, Sensex is bullish for this expiry, not looking for the short side. And if you have made money in the one direction, then there is no need you'll be looking for a like short side as well for the second half. I don't think so, because making money with the trend, that's makes a particular like scenario at here. So looking for the bullishness for the target of 83 400 and 25 like 550 in Nifty, and like Bank Nifty I have already told you that 56,000 above I am looking for. So this trend is still having a 80% probability to touch their highs and making a new high. This would be here from this particular in sale to this, then it will be a W breakout from here, and then you can take the double target from here. So maybe in the coming days we can see sale at like 268 somewhere. So this is would be the best journey in the sale and SBI. You can make longs, particular support is there. So that is the reason I'm not making short in Bank Nifty and Nifty as well, because they are super bullish. If you are making short, so definitely you will be going to trap yourself. So don't be trap yourself, and you can see I have told you, and in the like morning and in my like running video it is making particular trend. So grab this opportunity, and if you are watching my streaming till here, so you are very special. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I really need your support, so more and more subscribe and sharing will be like makes me more confident and giving motivation to make profitable trade and share with you my analysis, so that you can make yourself profitable in this longer run. And don't go for over trading. Today we have the expiry, so it's better if you have done profit in one direction, then done and dusted, shut down your system. No need to go for the like another second half, like your profit will be going to convert in a loss. Don't do this. And like you have to make sure like you your like setup is allowing you a trade, so just take and grab it, and don't go for like random trading. That makes you like completely like nonsense at this particular trading profession, but people will took trades according to the others perspective, and do your own analysis as well. And like if you are in educational, like if you are taking it as a educational purpose, so go for a like back testing. If I'll share with you my analysis, so do the analysis of your own, and that is it is like perfectly fine at here if you're making the same scenario and I am sharing with you my analysis. So that is like making a particular setup. So go with the flow. And that's all for the day, guys. Have a happy investing. Keep trading. This is Ankita Agneti signing off. Love you all. Bye bye.